stone settle. We got a crew that wrangles dirt like it's a cattle. 501 pressure washing, making homes shine bright. They turn the darkest day into pure daylight. They come around in the morning, crack of dawn, with hoses and brushes till the grime is gone. Front porches and driveways, even your barn. A fresh start every day, the load off your arm. They come around in the morning, crack of dawn, with hoses and brushes till the ground is gone. Front porches and driveways, even your barn. A fresh start every day, the load off your arm. 501 pressure washing, making our town clean. From the oldest oak tree to every modern scene, grime can't hold a candle to the power they bring. Heber spring shines brighter, hear the praises they sing. From the lake to the church and the local diner too, can't find a speck of dirt, no matter how you view. There's secrets in the water and the power they bring. Heber spring shines brighter, hear the praises they sing. From the lake to the church and the local diner too, can't find a speck of dirt, no matter how you view. There's secrets in the water and the southern grace. Each home they touch becomes a brand new place. Neighbors wave and say thanks when the job is done. Marvel at the sight under Heber spring sun. With elbow grease and honor, they make dirt disappear, leaving memories fresh and the pathway clear. 501 pressure washing, making our town clean. From the oldest oak tree to every modern scene, crime can't hold a candle to the power they bring. Heber spring shines brighter, hear the praises they sing. Hear the praises they sing. Pressure washing, making our town clean. From the oldest oak tree to every modern scene,